In this video, we're going to answer a key question for those using or considering Folk CRM: how to sync Folk CRM with Google Calendar. By the end, you'll understand the simple process and how integrating these two tools can make your workflow smoother, saving you time and effort. And as a bonus, I'll share an exclusive extended free trial for Folk CRM that you won't want to miss. Stick around. Now, if you're new to Folk CRM, here's a quick explanation of what it's all about. Folk CRM is a smart tool designed to help you manage relationships in a more personalized and efficient way. Whether you're managing clients, contacts, or team members, Folk helps you organize everything in one place with ease. It's known for its simplicity and powerful features. And today, we'll focus on how it integrates with Google Calendar to take your productivity to the next level. To sync Folk CRM with Google Calendar, you'll first need to connect your Google account with Folk. It's a quick process. Just head into the settings section of your Folk CRM account and find the Integrations tab. There, you'll see an option to link your Google account. Once connected, you can start syncing your calendar events, making sure everything is aligned. This sync will allow you to automatically add events to your Google Calendar when they're created in Folk CRM. So, if you're scheduling calls, meetings, or follow-ups, you won't have to enter them manually in both places. Everything happens seamlessly. This integration helps you stay organized and ensures that you never miss an important appointment, keeping your days running smoothly. But the real power of syncing Folk CRM with Google Calendar comes when you use it to track your interactions and plan future follow-ups. When a contact's information in Folk is updated or an event related to that contact is scheduled, you'll see it reflected instantly in your Google Calendar. This makes it easier to stay on top of things like customer meetings or sales calls without the hassle of switching between platforms. Now, if you're wondering if it's possible to sync multiple calendars or customize the sync settings, the answer is yes. Folk CRM allows you to choose which calendars you want to sync with. You can even set up custom notifications or reminders in Google Calendar, so you're always on track. This level of integration doesn't just save you time, it helps you manage your contacts and schedule more effectively. The goal of Folk CRM is to make it easy to manage relationships, and syncing with Google Calendar takes that goal even further, letting you plan, manage, and execute your tasks in a unified space. If you've been using Google Calendar already, this sync is going to make managing your work and appointments even easier. And if you're new to Folk CRM, I highly recommend trying it out to see how it can transform your workflow. Before I wrap up, here's a reminder: you can get started with Folk CRM for free by clicking the link in the description below. And as a special bonus, I've got an exclusive extended free trial for you, so you can dive deeper into all the features without any pressure. By syncing Folk CRM with Google Calendar, you can start working smarter today. Don't wait. Click the link below, take advantage of that free trial, and start streamlining your productivity. Thanks for watching.